Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to delete everything after the first space in Python. Introduction. In Python, manipulating strings is a common task, and there are various ways to achieve different string operations. If you need to delete everything after the first space in a string, Python provides simple and effective methods to accomplish this. In this tutorial, we'll explore different approaches and provide code examples. Method 1, using split and string slicing. Method 2, using find and string slicing. Method 3, using split and join. Choose the method that best fits your requirements and coding style. These examples cover different techniques to delete everything after the first space in a Python string. ChatGPT.